Most Canadians don't realize they're making these money mistakes until it's too late. If you live in Canada and want to keep more of your money, this video could save you thousands. Mistake number 1, not using a TFSA properly. A TFSA is not just a savings account. Many Canadians leave it sitting in cash, losing money to inflation. Tip: TFSA should be invested, not just saved. Mistake number 2, carrying credit card balance. Credit card interest in Canada is often 19 to 22%. That's higher than almost any investment return. Tip: pay balance in full. Use cards for rewards, not borrowing. Mistake number 3, ignoring RRSP until later. Many Canadians think RRSPs are only for older people. That's a costly mistake. Tip: RRSP reduces taxable income. Especially powerful if employer matches. Mistake number 4, financing cars the wrong way. A long car loan can quietly destroy your monthly cash flow. Avoid 7 to 8 year loans. Tip: focus on total cost, not monthly payment. Mistake number 5, not building an emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, every surprise becomes a debt problem. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Tip: high interest savings account. Mistake number 6, waiting too long to invest. Time matters more than timing. Tip: ETFs consistent investing beats perfect timing. Mistake number 7, following US finance advice only. What works in the US doesn't always work in Canada. Tip: Canada has TFSA, RRSP, FHSA and different tax rules. Avoiding these mistakes won't make you rich overnight, but they will put you ahead of most Canadians. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If you want more Canadian-specific money tips, subscribe to the Canadian Money Guide and check out the next video.